A lot to run through in today's Quant update. We're going to first start off on the Twitter because I've already made some posts over there. And make sure you're following me for that exact reason. Louis_crypto. Thank you for helping me achieve 2.5k followers. We are under 100 subs away from 8k. And then I'll give away a 30-minute of mentorship and an ebook to one of you lucky winners. Let's dive into this Quant update. So yesterday, we spoke of this potential bullish path. Hopefully you tuned into yesterday's video. Please go ahead and watch it because there were, I think, 3 reasons for why Quant was in a state where it could have taken advantage of supports that it was holding. So in fact, it had the opportunity to continue bullish. Why? Because we had seen this retracement after this initial pump from just above $100. We topped out about 109, giving this 9% move up, but $9 move up. And then we created the high low. So as we started to go up, I need to place a set of fibs, understanding that the golden pocket is meant to bring a rejection, something like this. We were covering in, this is yesterday's update. Quant has the opportunity to do something really big, but will it take it? So we were holding, if we look from this low, we use the fibs from this low to this high. It's going to give us the golden pocket pretty much where we did find support. And then we started to move back up. So I need to then place the fibs, as you can see right now. And the expectation, as the fib tool is a retracement tool, you measure a move down. It shows you the retracement targets, which is the target for the pullback before trend continuation, which the original move was down. So from this point, we expect a downward move. We've also got the 20 moving average that we were consistently holding as resistance inside of the golden pocket. So 2 reasons why the bears should take power. But although they had the chance to do so, the bears had the chance to push price down from here. The bulls took power and created the reversal wave by flipping this level into support. So we got the bounce off of a golden pocket here. Then we placed the new one and we've created the reversal wave on this new one. And we just need to maintain this higher low, which is just beneath 104. And of course, this high low where we were holding the golden pocket and confirming the reversal wave. So we attempted the breakout of trying to break through the moving averages, but also the 1 fib level. And when we, of course, hold the golden pocket and break the 1 fib level, we continue to the targets. So as long as we are above the golden pocket, this chance for the bulls is there. Whether it takes it or not, that's down to Quant itself. But the chance to go up is there. It should go up because we created the reversal wave, invalidating this downward scenario that should have happened. Remember, from here, the bears are meant to step in to push price back down to 100. They failed. Equally, now the bulls are in control and must push price above 109, the 1 fib level, but continue to hold this as support. And the bulls are given the opportunity to go up. And the next target being the 200 EMA and the 1618, just underneath $115. But as we saw what was going on today, go to the 4-hour time frame, we did not manage to push through the moving averages yesterday, in turn losing that key level of support. So we're heading to the Twitter. Again, make sure you're following me over here. We just ran through yesterday. Like, subscribe, comment, and share so we can hit that 8k to give 2 of you guys those prizes. Now, I made an update today. Quant created the reversal wave, invalidating the downside scenario, targeting the 1618 and the 200 EMA. However, the golden pocket must hold. This point right over here must hold. And unfortunately, as we can see, which was this price over here, we lost it as support. And so, of course, with that, we're invalidating those bullish targets, the 1618 and the 200 EMA. Then we see the second picture over here. It's a different set of Fibonacci's going from the lowest point to the highest point. That is what we see today on our chart. And the golden pocket will be different because previously our Fibonacci's are actually measuring this dump in case we push through the golden pocket, push through this high and continue to these 3 targets. We, of course, push through it, creating the reversal wave, continue to hold it, and we go to the targets, lose it. Unfortunately, we invalidate it. So that's the price of 105 to 106. But on this Fibonacci, it's different. It's a different set of fibs. But I would actually, in my own charting have both on at the same time. I know it can be very confusing seeing multiple fibs at the same time and understanding what needs to happen with both, but of course I've been doing it for so long I can see past the fibs. So I've gone from the low to the top of this range, and we know the most key level of support is the golden pocket. The lowest point of support that could potentially still bring a bounce is the 786. So yes, we want the golden lines to hold, but on this attempt of holding it, we lost it and came down very close. It didn't hit it exactly, but around the 786. Today, we had that push down to the 786, actually holding it as support for now, since this picture, of course. And we can see that the lowest body here is above that wick, because the wick is marked out by the blue line. The blue line we can see is beneath the body candle close. So we are holding the 786 fib of 102, the range of 102, so 102 to 103. And if we can now get a bounce that reclaims both, well, just the golden pocket in general, more specifically the 0.5 fib at 105, and then the moving averages for bullish continuation to that original target. Let's go back to the Quant chart. And yeah, we now know the path that Quant needs to follow in order to flip it bullish again. But what will happen if we fail to, as we see, we have reclaimed the first set of golden pocket, but we need to push through the 0.5, 105 specifically, and then the moving averages to go back on that path. But this is a great first step. It's a first step, guys, because what we need to do is, again, reclaim and confirm the 105 as support. Right now, we're coming into it as resistance. The 20 is just above us, could create a wick rejection and start to go lower. So all in all, if we fail to now reclaim the 0.5 and the moving averages, there's still the risk of the rollover back to the 786. You still have another chance to do it again. But if we eventually flip it into resistance, it's back down to the 1 fib. You have one more chance of reclaiming it. But as we now need to reclaim the 786, the 618, the 0.5, and then the moving averages, it becomes much harder for that process. And so it becomes likelier in the loss of this support down to these as your next technical targets for Quant. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Enter the giveaway over on my Twitter, Louis_crypto, with the blue tick and 2.5k followers. During this period, there's going to be exclusive discounts on my course and mentorship options. Underneath, you can actually find how many slots are available. For example, over here for the 5 hours of mentorship that was once 400, it's now 225, and you will get 5 hours of my one-to-one help, as well as my course included for free, and 2 months in the Discord chat. There are only 2 slots available left. All of them did have 5, but a lot of people are interested in this one. This is called my half plan, essentially. And then during that 2-month period where you gain access to my Discord, there's Tuesday and Thursday mentorship sessions where I teach you my exact strategies and run through new potential cryptos that we're looking at, analyzing them. Any questions and worries that you have, ask me during those group calls. You also have access to my long list of cryptos over there with over 20 cryptos ranging from 600k market cap to 3 billion at most. That's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, share, enter the giveaway and take action on these discounts while the slots are there. Cheers.